Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the recipe potato masala recipe. This goes very well with puris and chapatis. The same we can use for dosa masala also. The ingredients needed for this are chopped potatoes, chopped onions, it can be 3, and tomato you can take 1 medium size chopped, green chilies 3 to 4, and for garnishing and the tadka coriander and curry leaves, along with this ginger garlic paste also. Now in the cooker you take 2 glasses of water. The glass which I am using is 225 ml for half kg of potatoes, that is cleaned and chopped. The other way also you can do with the skin and cut into half, and then finally after cooking you can peel off the skin, but I always follow this method. It's better hygienic wise. And add little bit of salt for the potato alone and close it and leave it for 2 whistles. 1 to 2, not more than that. If the quantity is less, 1 whistle is more than enough. Now in a pan, heat it and pour some oil, maybe 2 to 3 teaspoons. This masala will not require much of oil. So you can just take some oil, maximum 3 teaspoons. Once the oil is heated, you put the tadka items, little bit of mustard and curry leaf. Curry leaf can be chopped and put. See to that it doesn't have much of water in it or it might splash on your face. Be careful with that. And after adding the mustard, you can add channa dal and urud dal. Little, just 10 maybe. And cumin seeds also for digestion, it's very good. Always add the dals little earlier and the cumin seed at the end, otherwise it will turn dark and the flavor will change. Now add the green chilies, chopped ones. If you want, you can slit and put. Maximum for half kg you might need 3 to 4 green chilies. Let it give a good flavor. Until then you saute it. Don't be in a hurry to put the other ingredients. So you'll get a nice flavor of the green chili. And now you will be adding onion, which is chopped and kept. For half kg of potatoes, you might need maybe 4 onions. If you want, it's up to you. To the more onions you add, the masala will taste good. Whenever you add the onion, you need to add little bit of salt for it to cook faster and give a good translucent texture. After adding the onions, saute it and add little bit of salt and keep sauteing it. You can keep it in medium flame and cook it. Always prefer medium flame cooking. Don't keep it in high flame and one side it will get burnt off. So always keep it in medium. Though it takes some time, but it's giving a good taste. So follow that if you wish and if you have time. Or else put it in high flame and you can cook it. Now we will be adding ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon is enough. If you like the flavor, you can add 2 teaspoons. But 1 is more than enough for this half kg of potatoes. 2 ways you can do this. You can add the ginger garlic paste when you're adding green chilies also, or after adding the onions and salt. Mix it well. Let the raw smell go. Then after that we'll be adding the tomatoes which you have chopped and kept. The tomatoes gives a tangy taste. So no need to add much of tomato to give a gravy appearance. The gravy feel will come with the potatoes which we are going to mash and put. So this is just for the tangy taste. And see to that you always mash the potatoes. It should not be pieces. As I said, this masala we'll be using for puri also and dosa. So it should be mashed well, even the potatoes and onions. Now the potatoes are readily kept after mashing in the cooker with the water which I've added at the initial stage. We can directly transfer the masala into the cooker. Now I'll not be allowing to cook at whistle and all, just close and cook method only. In the masala, finally you add little bit of turmeric powder before mixing the masala into the potato. You need not cook the turmeric powder. It should be yellow. Now I'll be adding the red chili powder or Kashmiri chili powder. This is optional. If you want the potatoes to be bright yellow, you can just leave this step off. You need not do this. We feel the reddish color looks good and it gives a spicy taste also. Along with the green chili, we are adding the red chili powder, which gives a good aroma also. The flavor is nice now. You can see the color and I can sense the smell of it also because of the ginger garlic paste and the red chili powder and the cumin seeds. Don't overcook anything. All the smell should be separately identifiable. Now I add a little bit of water, actually sprinkled the water to make the paste blend well, and added salt for the third time. Once in the potato, second time in the onions, and one more time in the masala. So you see to that how much of salt is needed for you and add to your taste. But stage by stage you add salt, the masala gravy will taste perfectly good. Or potatoes will not be with salt, it will be bland. Now everything will be with equal taste. And now I am mixing the potatoes and the masala well and going to leave it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Wow! See the texture, see the color. I can sense the aroma of the masala. It's really nice. You also try the same and give your comments in the comment section. We'll be posting many other new recipes for you. And I'm just garnishing it with the chopped coriander. You need not keep it in flame when you are putting the corianders. Let them give the fresh aroma when you are eating. It will get cooked when it is put in the hot gravy itself. And now I'm transferring the yummy, tasty masala into the bowl slowly. And now the potato masala is ready.
If you liked the video, smash the like button, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. See you soon.